Thank you for trying Mainsaver Cloud. This video will walk you through everything you need to know when first accessing your trial. When your trial begins, you will receive an email with the subject line, Login Credentials, Mainsaver Cloud Trial. This email contains your login address, username, and password. To protect the security of your data, the provided login address is unique to your instance of Mainsaver. Users must use this unique address to successfully log in. Any other links to the application will not allow access once a user logs out. The unique address will automatically redirect to the application when used, so you should manually add it as a bookmark to your browser for future use. In Google Chrome, you can do this by right-clicking your bookmarks bar and selecting Add Page from the menu. The login address always takes you to the login page. Enter the username and password provided in the email, and then select the Sign In button to log in.